Okay, so this is 208.4. This is the New York City Civil Rules. So what's important in this section to know, this is 208.4. It's the papers filed in court. And remember, this is only for New York City Civil Rules. And it's actually 4A. And it's on electronic filing. And what's important to know in this section is really the electronic filing in actions in the civil court. So a party may commence an action by the electronic filing of such documents as are required to be filed by the CPLR or the Civil Court Act in actions in the civil court. Okay, now documents may be transmitted at any time to the electronic filing address. Okay, so now these are the things that I would remember. Documents that are electronically filed to commence an action in compliance with this section will be deemed filed with the clerk of the civil court in the county in which the action is brought for the purposes of Section 400 of the Civil Court Act upon the date of receipt of those documents by the electronic filing address, provided, however, now this is the thing that is important, really important to know. No document will be deemed filed unless an index number for the action is endorsed thereon. So it's not filed unless there's an index number on the paperwork. Okay. Another thing that's also important, no later than 2 business days, two business days, because they can't just say days, 2 business days, following the date of receipt of documents by the electronic filing address, the clerk of the civil court shall make available by electronic means a confirmation of electronic filing. The confirmation will constitute the clerk's return of the copy to the party for the purposes of Section 401 of the Civil Court Act. So in that section, what's important to know is the 2 business days, the clerk has to make available a confirmation, okay, of the electronic filing. Now, the other part of that is when a document has been filed electronically, the official record of that document shall be its electronic filing, electronic recording. So when a document has been filed electronically, the official record of that document shall be its electronic recording. So that's what's important in this section. The most important things that I would know are, again, they can be transmitted at any time to the electronic filing address. No document will be deemed filed unless an index number for the action is endorsed thereon, and no later than 2 business days following the date of receipt of documents, the clerk of the civil court shall make available a confirmation, and a document has been, when a document has been filed electronically, the official record of that document shall be its electronic recording.